for when cooking pasta, I've got here a 60mm gas stove. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to add water to just above the level of the pasta. Rough ratio 2:1, but I don't need to be precious about measuring the water. This water can come from the hand shower at the front of the unit. But as you see there, I've just got enough to cover the top of the pasta. So we're going to set up our Lennox Sapien now, ready for cooking some pasta. When cooking rice or pasta, it's one of the few times that we don't have to worry about preheating the oven, because the pasta or the rice won't start cooking until the water that we put in the unit gets to temperature. So we're merely going to go onto our steaming mode, and for our pasta we're going to set, and this is going to vary for different types of pasta. We're going to set this one, I know this penny takes about 20 minutes. As a rough guide, the instructions on the pasta will tell you, and I tend to add about 5 more minutes on top of that. So if it's a 12-minute cook, 17 minutes to cook. So I'm going to load in my pasta now. And as I said before, you can see here I've just got the water just above the top level of the pasta, and very importantly, no lid. Okay, I'm going to load that in. The reason I've got no lid in there is if it needs more moisture, it's going to pull it from the environment, but plus the fact, if I put a lid on a cold barrier here, and it's going to take longer to cook. So there we go, and now my pasta's cooking. So we're coming close to the end of our 20-minute cooking time. As you can see, we've still got quite a lot of water in there. Our pasta is more than doubled in size, so we're going to get good results from that. As soon as this is ready, we're going to take this out and we can drain. Obviously, as I said before, we're going to adjust for different types of pasta when we're doing things like fusilli. It's less, there we go. Let the steam release here. And there we go. Every time, perfectly cooked pasta. It doesn't matter whether it's a full oven or just 1 or 2 trays. I'll show you the results once we've drained that off.